Today in HTML5 we are going to make a page in which we'll make a form, and that form will essentially deal with the date and time. So before we get started, this is the basic framework of HTML. We have doc type HTML, we have declared it. HTML has two parts, head, this head, and body. This is the title of the page, and we'll give some styling also. And this style we will write it here, not a great styling, means what generally we find in CSS, but very naive or simple styling will give. And then we'll write a script also. I'll tell you why we'll write a script. Before that, we'll write or we'll make a form here. This will be the heading of the form, and as I execute or run this HTML in a browser, you will know why we make a form. This is a form we'll make. So this will come here. This is the heading which is there. H1 is the heading, and there will be styling which we are going to write here. And when we'll press submit, we'll make a function also, so that these things will be shown in a pop-up. So that script we'll write here. So let's get started. Paul will define this form. This design is very important. Let's get started. And let me just show it again. First we'll make a label called date. We'll make an input type as date and ID whichever you want. I'll give it name as my date. Then placeholder will be enter date. Okay, this way. And this will come inside a form. So we're making a label. Input type will be date and ID is my date, and placeholder will be this, and followed by a space, a new line. And this will come inside a form. And form, this function will be written here. We'll make a function here, and we need to culminate or end this form with this ending tag of form. This is very important. Every tag in HTML has to be followed by its ending tag. This label has been made. Now I'll make a label called time. The type will be time, and the ID will be my time. Placeholder will be enter time or the name of your choice. So in this manner, label will be time, input type will be time. This is very important. This actually type will announce or declare that what input you can give, and this all is as per your convenience you can write. Now we'll go to this date and time has been done. We'll go to date and time. This is a string type. Whatever you write, it will take it like that. So here date and time, input type will be date and time, and ID my date time, and placeholder will be enter date and time. Coming to month, this month label will be month. Input type will be type month, and ID will be my month, and enter month. Similarly for week, and this is self-explanatory for the week, and followed by the button for submit. And this submit actually needs a JavaScript code. Okay, JavaScript code will be there, which we'll write here. What we'll do is we'll make a function, and the fake name of function we have already indicated here, we already given. So we'll make a function here, and followed by the function ending brace. And what we'll write is that we'll make a variable, and that variable will contain the element ID, or it will take the ID of this, and whatever content user give, that particular value will be alerted to the user, means you. Okay, so we'll write it like this. This is the variable in which alert will be done, and this get element ID is from my date. Similarly for all these inputs, we will do the same stuff like this, making variable for every ID and showing it in an alert. So hopefully you have understood that what we have done. We have made a form, we have made a function which will show the content of the form which user will give. So let me save it first and let me execute it for you. I am making it in Notepad++, making a file, saving it as HTML, and then running it via run in choice of your browser. I run it in Chrome. Now you see we have date. You can enter the date or you can change the date via this. This is so good. You can enter the number here or you can give it via like this. You can enter the date and time in proper format. I have just given like this, and you can choose. You can go to any week, or you can choose it from here, submit it, and as alert was also written in a JavaScript, we just show whatever user has entered. So hopefully you got the idea how we deal with date and time in HTML5 via JavaScript code. So thank you so much. Take care.